Respect is not something you can demand. It's something you must earn through steadfast actions and unwavering character. Within the complex tapestry of relationships, nothing is more destructive than losing the respect of the woman you care about. When respect fades, love becomes fragile, attraction dwindles, and even loyalty can evaporate. Today, we're going to delve deeply into 5 critical behaviors that can destroy respect and explore how the ancient wisdom of Stoicism teaches us to eliminate these detrimental traits from our lives. The Stoics, remarkable thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, understood that self-respect is the foundation of external respect. They didn't chase after approval. Instead, they embodied virtues that naturally garnered admiration from others. If you frequently feel disrespected, it's essential to consider that the issue may not solely lie with her, but could stem from your own behaviors and attitudes. Let's dissect these 5 mistakes that can kill respect and discover how we can rectify them using Stoic wisdom. 1. Seeking validation. Constantly. One of the most corrosive behaviors that can undermine respect is an excessive need for validation. It's all too common for individuals to find themselves in a cycle of seeking approval from others, particularly in romantic relationships. If you constantly ask questions like, "Do you love me?" or alter your personality to fit her expectations, you may inadvertently come across as weak or insecure. This incessant need for affirmation can create a power imbalance, leading her to view you as someone who is reliant on her for self-worth. Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-sufficiency. Your worth should come from your principles and values rather than external validation. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most revered Stoic philosophers, wisely stated, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Recognizing this empowering truth can cultivate strength within yourself and foster a healthier dynamic in your relationships. Stoic solution: cultivate inner confidence by living according to your own principles. Focus on self-acceptance and engage in activities that reinforce your self-worth. For instance, consider journaling your thoughts and goals or pursuing hobbies that ignite your passion. By prioritizing self-validation, you will naturally attract respect from others. 2. Lacking emotional control. Emotional control is another area where many struggle, yet it plays a pivotal role in how we are perceived by others. Exploding in anger or crumbling under pressure can portray you as weak and emotionally unstable. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of emotional mastery. It's essential to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. When emotions govern your actions, you risk losing control of the situation and ultimately the respect of those around you. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, articulated this concept beautifully when he wrote, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." This quote serves as a reminder that true strength lies in our ability to manage our emotions effectively. If she perceives you as emotionally volatile, it will be challenging for her to view you as a reliable partner. Stoic solution: practice pausing before reacting. Take a deep breath and assess the situation. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? By controlling your emotions, you gain mastery over your life and how others perceive you. In practical terms, this might involve practicing mindfulness techniques or meditation to enhance your emotional awareness. When you approach difficult conversations with a calm and rational mindset, you not only enhance your own emotional intelligence, but also foster a sense of respect and admiration from those around you. 3. Being indecisive and weak-minded. Indecisiveness can be a major turnoff in any relationship. A man who struggles to make decisions often appears unreliable and uncertain to his partner. Women tend to respect leaders, not followers. If you frequently hesitate, overthink, or constantly seek her direction on decisions, she may not view you as strong or capable. This dynamic can create frustration and resentment, ultimately leading to a loss of respect. Epictetus, another Stoic philosopher, reminds us, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Confidence means making choices and accepting the possibility of being wrong. Acknowledging that mistakes are part of the growth process can empower you to take decisive action without fear of judgment. Stoic solution. Own your decisions with conviction. Even if you face failure, stand by your choices, learn from them, and grow stronger. This not only builds your confidence, but also instills respect in others. Consider setting small, manageable goals and making decisions related to them, gradually increasing your confidence in your ability to make choices. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They are often our greatest teachers. 4. Being dishonest. Dishonesty erodes trust and integrity, two fundamental pillars of any lasting relationship. When your words and actions fail to align, you compromise your integrity and trustworthiness. Trust is built on honesty and consistency, and without it, respect cannot flourish. As Marcus Aurelius wisely advised, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." A man of honor commands respect without needing to demand it. In the hustle and bustle of life, it can be tempting to bend the truth or withhold information to avoid conflict. However, this approach often backfires, leading to a loss of trust and respect. When your partner senses dishonesty, it creates a barrier that can be difficult to overcome. Stoic solution. Strive to be a man of your word. Speak truthfully and follow through on your commitments. Building a reputation for honesty requires consistent effort and vulnerability. By demonstrating reliability and integrity, you foster an environment of trust and respect. Practice open communication, sharing your thoughts and feelings authentically. This transparency will not only deepen your connection, but will also reinforce the mutual respect you share. 5. Being passive and avoiding conflict. Avoiding difficult conversations or tolerating disrespect can signal weakness and insecurity. Women often test men as part of their nature. If you fail these tests by dodging confrontation or remaining passive, you risk losing respect. Stoicism teaches us to confront challenges head-on rather than shy away from them. Embracing conflict as an opportunity for growth can transform your relationships and your character. When you avoid addressing issues, you may inadvertently communicate that you don't value yourself or your needs. This can lead to frustration for both you and your partner, as unresolved issues often fester beneath the surface. Stoic solution. Address issues directly and establish clear boundaries. Speak up when necessary and respect yourself first. When you stand firm in your beliefs and assert your needs, others will respect you in return. Developing effective communication skills can enhance your ability to navigate challenging conversations. Practice active listening and express your thoughts clearly and respectfully. This approach fosters a collaborative environment where both partners feel heard and valued. The path to earning respect. Everyday life presents countless opportunities to apply these lessons. If you stop seeking validation, master your emotions, make firm decisions, live with integrity, and stand up for yourself, respect will naturally follow. The key lies in consistency. Respect is not something you ask for. It's something you command through how you live your life. Take a moment to reflect on your interactions. If you find yourself frequently disrespected in relationships, it's essential to examine your own actions and attitudes. The wisdom of the Stoics teaches us that true strength comes from within. By becoming a man worthy of respect, you'll discover that you won't have to demand it. It will come to you naturally. Consider this. Every interaction is a chance to reinforce your values and principles. Whether it's in your personal relationships, at work, or in social settings, embodying the qualities of respect, integrity, and emotional control will serve you well. Your journey towards self-improvement is ongoing, and by committing to these principles, you'll gradually cultivate an environment where respect thrives. If this video has added value to your life, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 points resonated with you the most. As you embark on this journey of self-improvement, remember to stay strong, stay disciplined, and keep striving for growth. Each step you take toward embodying these principles brings you closer to becoming the man you aspire to be, a man worthy of respect. In conclusion, the path to earning respect is not a destination but a continuous journey. Embrace the wisdom of Stoicism and let it guide you in your interactions and decisions. As you become more self-aware, confident, and authentic, you will find that respect naturally follows. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.